Alright, 10-4, you're on fire in the tunnel. 107 acting, 105. 107 acting. Exactly the 107. It was over here when we went past there. They're coming, There's a third alarm assignment coming. Yes, 519 to Brooklyn. Car 3, deputy 1 to car 3.
Oh, shit.
To the call. Hey, listen, the 4-1 should have taken a couple of companies that they were leaving back to us that were stuck in the tunnel. So that, they might be busy doing that. Check that out, all right? Brooklyn Bridge, to respond. 7-9, I need you. You're the only truck. Division 1-5 to Brooklyn. Division 1-5. At the request of Division 11, contact 10-11 via voice alarm. Have them make necessary arrangements for the arrival of all the recall members at their quarters, including possible parking arrangements at the Brooklyn Navy Arcade.
I think I spoke to Mr. Smith on occasion. It's me. God bless you.
This is Broadway, just south of City Hall. Debris and dust is all over the streets, reminding me of a nuclear winter.
If you can copy this,
Take a wet rag. You need a wet rag?
There's a guy over here just outside.
As you would say,
That's the building?
Yeah.
Holy man. I got a big oxygen pump on top of the water jug on the red. Can I get my gear out of the rig or the roof pull the wall for you?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, there's a big stack of towels on top of the water jug on the red. Come right here.